came to win, to fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly.
Day. Maybe that'll kinda make the pain go away. Trying to forgive you for abandoning me. Praying, but I think I'm still an angel away. Angel away, yeah, strange in a way. Maybe that is why I chase strangers away. They got their out aiming at me, but I become Neo when they aiming at me. Me against them, me against enemies, me against friends. Somehow they both seem to become one. A sea full of sharks and they all smell blood. They start coming and I start rising. Must be surprising, I'm just surmising. I win, thrive, soar, higher, 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 more fire.
To fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise.
Suffocating every time it locks me in. Painting their own pictures and they crop me in. But I will remain where the top begins. Cause I am not a word, I am not a line. I am not a girl that can ever be defined. I am not fly, I am levitation. I represent an entire generation. I hear the criticism loud and clear. That is how I know that the time is near. See, we become alive in a time of fear. And I ain't got time to spare. Cry my eyes out for days upon days. Such a heavy burden placed upon me. But when you go hard, your names become yays. Yankee Stadium with Jays and Kanye's.
To fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly. To fight, to conquer, to thrive. I came to win, to survive, to prosper, to rise, to fly.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
God on the corner of First and Amistad, where the West was all but one, all alone, smoking his last cigarette. I said, where you been? He said, ask anything. Where were you when everything was falling apart? But all my days were spent by telephone, never late. All I needed was a call that never came. To the corner of First and Amistad, lost and insecure. You found me lying on the floor, surrounded. Why'd you have to wait? Where were you? Just a little late. You found me. But in the end, everyone ends up alone, losing her, the only one who's ever known who I am, who I'm not, who I wanna be. No way to know how long she will be next to me. Lost and insecure. You found me lying on the floor, surrounded. Why'd you have to wait? Where were you? Just a little late. You found me. Early morning, the city breaks. I've been calling for years and years and years and years, and you never left me no messages. You never sent me no letters. You got some kind of nerve, taking all I want. Lost and insecure. You found me lying on the floor. Where were you? Lost and insecure. You found me lying on the floor, surrounded. Why'd you have to wait? Where were you? Just a little late. You found me. Why'd you have to wait to find me?
When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart, and I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore that she would never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love if it does not exist. But darling, you only exception. Well, you are the only exception. Well, you are the only exception. Well, you are the only exception. Well, maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts, and we've got to find other ways to make it alone or keep us straight